Hey Adrian, I'm back with my next set of questions. One of our customers just activated his account and needs help on the next steps. His questions were around the information he's required to enter, how long will it take, and more importantly, is his data safe? So I'm on the login page right now. Should I just log in with my email?
Yes, you got it. Once you've done this, it's time to set up your initial details to feed the dashboard. A friendly advice, get prepared to invest around 10 minutes of your time for the first setup. Have at least one bill ready for each utility. The first pop-up screen will ask you for your property details and property information. So go ahead and fill out these fields. And also think about a nickname for your home if you haven't got one already.
Is my data safe here?
Oh, yes, absolutely. No doubt with that. We take data safety and privacy very, very seriously, and we will not share it with anyone. Well, unless the CIA asks us to, you know. The next pop-up screen is for your utility bills. I recommend starting with electricity. Input the details of your bill and your provider. Once this is done, you get to your profile section. Personalize your photo and have some fun.
I'm not sure. I want to do this part right now.
Okay, no problem with that. Come back to any of these sections whenever you are ready. All are accessible throughout the dashboard. You can conveniently just skip them for now if you wish to. But for now, showtime. Click save and watch the dashboard come alive.
This is simple and awesome.
Yes.
If you found this content useful, feel free to share and like. And don't forget to follow us on social media. If you have any additional questions, shoot us an email to support@utilityjunction.services. See you in the next one.